Hello everyone, welcome to our Lean channel. In a few previous videos, we started talking about wastes in management system procedures. If you missed them, use the link below and explore our channel to catch up. Today, I would like to talk about headaches from document numbers. Interested? Let's get started. Once I worked with a company of fewer than 100 people, manufacturing relatively simple devices. They numbered their documents depending on the type of document. They numbered procedures by 7-digit numbers with a 3-digit extension. One of the procedures used the number 5057-001. Those folks did not bother spelling out the whole number and call it merely 57. Drawings had a similar odd number format with 8 digits. In these examples, the procedure and the drawing numbers contained enough digits to identify millions of entities. But in fact, the company maintained only some 250 documents. Surprisingly, this is not the worst case in my book of records. The company that won my The Worst Part Number Grand Prize used 12 alphanumeric character string with dashes to number their procedures, instructions, drawings, and other documents. Clearly, these examples are extremes to which companies can go in their creativity, so to speak, to number their documents. But still very often I scratch my head over document numbering systems. Unfortunately, long and meaningless numbers are not the only problem with the identification of documents. Often companies use designation codes in their document numbers. The department name, the clause of the standard, the level of the document, and others. Well, the designation is another story, and we will talk about it in the next video. Come back, do not miss another waste story. Meanwhile, if you wish to learn more about lean methods in ISO management systems, click the link below and check out my book ISO Management Systems, The Lean Revolution. The book is full of lean techniques to optimize your ISO management systems. As the cherry on the cake, the book gives you a link to a complimentary download of our Lean ISO Procedures Jumpstart Kit. Help your business benefit from lean approaches. Share this video with your colleagues. Click that subscribe button. In the following videos, we will continue uncovering and fighting wastes in management systems. Give us a like if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and until next time.